frankly, for the Pakistanis to offer help is sort of like a man who is in a burning building offering you a spare room in the building. Pakistan has enormous problems. I mean, financially, they're insolvent and so forth, which is why I have argued strongly for a long time now. I started really on the Tucker Carlson program when he interviewed me, that New Delhi would be the better setting. And even in the United States, there's not an understanding of why. And I just want to cover this ground one more time. Prime Minister Modi, and I don't care if everybody loves him or hates him in India, I have no idea, but Prime Minister Modi is someone who enjoys a great deal of respect and confidence across the globe. This is someone who is at ease with Putin in Moscow. He is comfortable talking to the leadership in Tehran. He recently visited Israel, and the Israelis are comfortable with him. We are comfortable with India.